What's up, guys? I just started a new account here and we are going to start playing games on this account. Over here we have the three games that I'm probably going to play the most: Pet Simulator 99, Pets Go, and Bee Swarm. Speaking of Pet Simulator 99, I want to take a break from the game, so let's start playing Bee Swarm. Let's do this. My username is the Brainless Noob on YT. And I will even show it to you at the end of the video. Maybe you already saw it. So, Bee Swarm for a Noob might seem like a pretty stupid game. And it might look like that. But really, it isn't. So yeah, let's do this. And I just got a basic bee. That's nice. So I go over here. The black bear. Spell them. Sunflower start. Do the thing. And really, Bee Swarm for a noob isn't so hard. You get these type of people showing up every once in a while. You have so many quest givers to help you with. So let's just do this. And we just got a treat tutorial. That's nice. Okay, the montage you're watching right now is just me leveling up my bees. Which I have 3 by the end of this episode. And doing a bunch of quests, fighting a beetle so I can, level up my bees, and just doing a bunch of random starter crap. Yeah. Treats. That's nice. Ooh! I could get a few bees. Hold up. Okay. So we have 1 bee. Let's go get another one. Ooh, a sprout. Where is it? 2 bees. That checks out. Oh, look, your bee. And then, no, actually, hold on. And a basic bee. Feed my basic bee. Until gifted? Hold up. That's nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This video was just the basic struggles of a new player. I'll try a little less to use the term noob in my videos. I'm sorry that, I'm sorry. And I'll see you guys in my next video, where we'll probably be playing one of the 3 games that I noted in the beginning. Another thing is, well, editor put my username on the screen. That is my username, the Brainless Noob on YT. Please, if you feel like it, in any game you possibly can, mail me something, or if you want to play with me, that's completely fine. And that's the end of the video. I love you guys. And at 10 subscribers, I'll do something legendary on my main. See you guys later. Bye.